Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Today guys, I will be in my bedroom, and as you can see from this overview, my room is in dire need of some help. So I'm going to get in here and get everything all done. Today I will be cleaning my ceiling fan as well as sweeping the ceiling down around the ceiling fan. So if that's something that interests you, please stick around to the end. Also you guys, I will not be talking during this video. I just want you to sit back and relax, or if you have something to do, get up and clean up with me. And yeah you guys, we can get it done together. And also before you go, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video. Also make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.
Every road that we know how to take is lost. We've worn out the mystery. Every answer that's harder to face. I trust to be good for me. Every time that we fall, and I've known enough to know I didn't know enough. No, not even close enough to know if it's real or a bluff. You love me like it's struggling to hold back. Then you wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one, but I was just fooling myself. Fooling myself. You think you can talk sense to me, like we are gonna be okay. We're not okay. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up. Gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so live alone for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. I never heard a silence so loud before. I'm gonna love every minute of it, every second of it. Longing for that sound of you being gone, so I can hear my thoughts again. Hear my thoughts again. So is this gonna take all night? Don't wanna waste no more time. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my love once, but now I'm fed up. Gonna take it all back, 'cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Better get it right this time around. Yeah, we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around. Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference. to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just read it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just read it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. I finally stopped running now. With you, I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way. That joy you give me every day makes me forget that I was troubled before. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free. I never, never, never know felt like this before. I never, never, never know felt the love like this. I never, never, never know felt like this before. I never, never, never know felt the love like this. I know I can be safe with you. You want me now, I know you do. I know you're being patient and I love you for that. You show me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of. Cause I won't be afraid, not holding anything back. Don't know if I'm dreaming, I'm slipping away. I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me.